Hello there, dear viewers. James Braithwaite here. How are you doing? And you join me under the bonnet of a Volvo C70. Just about to change some batteries. But first, there's a cross member I have to take off. Oopsie. Now this steel bar acts as part of the rigidity and strength of the vehicle, so make sure it's perfectly fine. Okay. Just bloody ratchet. This battery looks reasonably new. It's because this car's been languishing for quite a while. Whatever the hell you do. Yeah, that's got it. Sorry dear viewers, just a bit of trouble with me nuts again. Although in fairness I can see why they're so tight. I'll fasten these back down with an impact driver, I think. Okay. I'll just pause this for a minute because you don't want to see this for a moment. And here you are, that's what I was unbolting, the crossbar, so I can get to the battery. Just lay that down like so. Swap spanners for the tin. Now when you're doing batteries, you always disconnect the negative side first. At least that's what I was taught. reason I'm going a bit slower is because I'm using spanners instead of ratchets, which is a bit silly of me, but hey ho. We have rescued this lovely little vehicle after all. Terminal. That's that terminal off. That terminal's off. Up you come. And go. One new battery. Go one old battery. One new battery. In she goes. Simple as that. Spin her down nice and tight. Okay. Negative on first, as I was explaining before. That's the bit I always hate about replacing batteries, dear viewers. The little sparky poof that comes off. Okay. Right. Now, this is the cross member that we took off earlier, and just refitting it. So we've got a very structurally sound Volvo again, just like the way it left Gothenburg. Might as well nip the bolts, nuts down by hand. Then you don't have to waste so much time with tightening them with a spanner. I just can't be bothered going to getting an impact driver, if truth be told. Just a sec. And here we are, Dave. Here we are, Dave, yes. A fully done Volvo C70 battery. All done by my own fair hand. Thanks for watching. I will hopefully see you in the next one. Hello, for now.